We set out to build the perfect snowman, and this is what he looks like. Hi, my name is Ryan Griffith, and this is Exclamation Points. I bet you're thinking that this is far from the perfect snowman. He doesn't have a real carrot nose. His arms are unconventional. He doesn't have a black felt hat or a corncob pipe. He's missing the buttons which hold him together, and he's melting. Well, that may be true, but to my family and me, he is perfect. We spent time and effort to roll the snowballs, and it took an even greater effort to lift the heavy things up and position them into place. The kids are very proud of him too. Did you know that God views Christians like I view this snowman? He sees perfection despite our imperfections, flaws, and shortcomings. God sees perfection in us because He sees His Son in us. Jesus Christ has overcome all of our imperfections. No matter how hard we try, we will never be perfect on our own. It's impossible. We could spend 12 hours a day fasting and praying. We could try to make everyone we know happy and forgive all of our enemies, and that would not satisfy God's standard. We could give all of our money to charity and donate all of our food to the hungry, and we would still not achieve perfection. Have you ever really defined perfection? If perfectionists would slow down and take a minute to ponder the definition of perfection, or ask who has the authority to set such a standard, they could spare themselves a lot of energy and needless anxiety. Perfection lies in Jesus Christ alone. He is the definition. He is the standard. He is the ultimate role model to follow. Be careful not to confuse perfection with excellence. Excellence is the human standard. You can do an excellent job. You can be an excellent spouse, father, or mother, or even business person. But you will never be a perfect one. Excellence should be a pursuit and a goal. But don't let that be your only option. We will fall short from time to time. The key is to try harder the next time, and eventually you will achieve excellence. So strive for excellence and leave the perfection to God. Isn't that right?